If your Galaxy Watch 8 is stuck on loading during setup, here's a quick fix. First, turn the Bluetooth off on your phone and then wait 10 seconds. Then turn it back on. Fully close the Galaxy Wearable app. Don't just minimize it. Next is to restart your phone first. Then restart the watch by holding the side button for about 10 seconds. Once both the devices are back on, open the Galaxy application and start the setup again. And keep your phone screen on the entire time. If it still gets stuck, go to phone settings and head to apps and head to the Galaxy Wearable application and storage and tap clear cache. Do not clear the data. Make sure you are on stable Wi-Fi, not on mobile data, and turn off any VPN that you are using. Most of the time, setup resumes within a minute after doing this. And that's how you can fix the Galaxy Watch 8 setup stock on loading, and thank you for listening.